welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable spatial audio on AirPods plus Android or Windows. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're on your Windows, you can simply turn on your Windows speaker and go to your Bluetooth and turn it on. Once you have done this, you need to pair your AirPods to your Windows PC and right click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select sound settings and select AirPods for output device. After this, you need to enable your spatial sound and you're all set. However, on Android, all you gotta do is simply check the compatibility of true spatial audio. That is not the native feature on all Android devices. So to make it enabled, all you gotta do is simply connect your AirPods and go to your phone settings, that is your Bluetooth. So once you go to your Bluetooth, you can simply look for a sign or symbol saying that spatial audio is right over there. So once you see this, you need to simply tap on it and turn the toggle to the right hand side if you have this, and if it is not present, check your phone sound setting for Dolby Atmos option and simply turn it on. So this is how you can simply enable the setting. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.